Tumekuja kusherehekea na wasalimia God is good and all the time. Mheshimiwa Rais, kwa niaba ya constituency ya West Mugirango kule Nyamira, na kukaribisha hapa Kisii. Apostle Moruabe, congratulations for giving your life to Christ and demonstrating exemplary leadership, not only in matters faith, but also in impacting on the society and community that you serve. Mheshimiwa Rais, allow me to have bragging rights that, like Bishop Gichana was born and brought up here, Apostle Moruabe was born and brought up in West Mugirango. Allow me bragging rights. Naomba mumpigie huyu West Mugirango leadership. It is exemplary. Today is my day of worship. I will say no more, but thank God for Your Excellency's leadership. The people of West Mugirango, thank you on behalf of Nyamira County that the university has started, the Nyamira University, and your road, the Bondeni Magombo Road, Your Excellency, I am sure it is starting as a New Year gift. And permit me on behalf of the people of West Mugirango to also invite you to come and worship with us and continue coming to Kisii. Gusii people love you, na ndio sababu tunasema Mungu akusaidie na asaidie Kenya, tukupee kipindi chako cha pili. Mungu aendelee kubariki Kenya. Thank you.
Asante sana. Sasa ningependa kumwalika mama wetu wa county, Mama Jerusha, aje kutusalimia.